Joy from Joy Quilts. Today I'm doing another one of my projects from my 10-year-old stash box. Apparently I had cut a lot of 2.5-inch strips. Actually, I was in Texas at the time. My husband was working down there, and we cut all the strips before I left at the store, and then I left them on the back of a chair. So my good friend Sue sent them down to me by FedEx, and I had 6 weeks and a lot of strips to figure out what to do with. So this is another one that didn't quite make it to a pattern. Batik strips, green. Quilting it with Metler Polysheen Multi, which is a 40 weight polyester thread, and variegated color. So I'm using the 80 SUK needle, and same thread top and bottom. Quilting pattern that we're using today is called Aloha Petite. Actually, it was a lot smaller, but I made it much larger, so it's not petite anymore, but it is Aloha. And it kind of looks like it suited it, because it was kind of green, tropical looking, and that's kind of what this fabric is to me. So this particular design comes in pairs of 2. So I just repeated the pattern across the distance that I wanted, which was 54 inches. And then added 7 rows. Disconnected the pattern and turned every other row upside down and backwards. And that way, one row starts on the left, one starts on the right, and of course then it balances left to right, which is, as everybody knows, is my favorite thing to do. I like my patterns to balance. So this pattern actually never made it to be anything, so the quilt was a little bit too small, so it sat there for quite a while. So what I did is I took some wide backing in a tone-on-tone white and added a 2.5-inch border all the way around, which makes it 56 by 80, which is pretty good. That's it's a decent sized lap quilt. And now it comes out of the cupboard and gets quilted. No charities are accepting quilts right now, but by the time I get binding on them, it'll probably be summer, and hopefully things will be back to normal and we'll be donating quilts again. My objective right now is to clean out that closet and make up everything that's in there. Although some of them are kind of a mystery at this point. They're in the what was I thinking pile. So I'm going to figure out what to do with these fabrics. Some of them are started, some of them aren't. That's the way it's going these days. So it's quilting Aloha on a green batik lap quilt. Joy from Joy Quilts, Facebook, Instagram, joyquilts.com, joyquilts@hotmail.com.